Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a flyer on Canva. So if you are new to Canva or you're new to the design business and you do not really know how to create a flyer for any event, this is the best video for you. And the easiest thing to do is to go to Canva, either your phone, your app, or the website version, and on the search bar just type in this keyword flyer. You will see a variety of beautifully designed templates for you to just choose from. I don't think I've ever designed a template from a flyer from scratch. So all I'll do is just um mon- say modify a particular template and use it for my business. So you can, there's shoe, if you have a shoe business, if you have a fruit business, fruit juice business, or you have an energy drink business, I mean there's literally nothing you can think of or business you have that you cannot use a template on Canva for. And Canva templates are really good because they are designed by top professionals. So all you have to do is to, let's say I have a food business or restaurant business, click on the I've clicked on it, and then I can proceed to customize this particular template and make it my own and send it to my social media, and that is how to design a flyer on Canva. If you guys have enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.